closer than I am, you can probably see Miss Pickup rather more clearly. John Warman is the captain in the left-hand seat, David Barlow in the... So you can recognise a PB... Oh, there are the floats coming down. Those floats. It's a lovely sight to see these aeroplanes on the water. But this particular one, I gather she hasn't been on the water in England for a while, although she did not too long ago land on Loch Earn in Northern Ireland. Later this year she's going to Greenland and also to Marseille in France for some more water landings. Completely amphibious, happy on either land or water. Sadly, or sad to say, I don't think we shall be seeing her land today. She'll be going back to Duxford, where she lives. So there we can see those floats well and truly down. And you get that impression as she comes towards us of how high those engines are above where the pilots are sitting in the cockpit. They don't talk about landings, they talk about alightings, because that covers either land or water. But they're quite difficult with this aircraft. It doesn't have any flaps, the sort of slow speed handling things that almost all other aircraft do have. However, there were some comfortable things about it for their long 40 nose wheel. So maybe the Royal Air Force would like to induct this aeroplane back into its fleet, so it would have some maritime patrol. Or maybe it'll go for a P8. Really do need something, I feel. There we go, it's not up to me. The end of the war, and one actually sunk the last U-boat of the war. And of course, her other important role was air-sea rescue, and we now call that search and rescue. Lovely gentle sound of two Pratt & Whitney R1830 twin Wasps, 14 cylinders each, radial engines, 14 cylinders in 2 rows of 7. Catalina stand and talk to the Catalina people about her. So, what a relief. We did think she wasn't coming, but here she is. And personally, I'm delighted she's here, and I'm sure you are too.